How's it going, guys? Hopefully this doesn't take too long. Yeah, so I got my MacBook Air here. Oh shit. Okay, star shape they said. Do I have that star shape? I do. Alright. Here we go. Boom, got it. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Can you see that? Alright, there's two long ones. Okay, so there's two long ones and the short ones are on the sides. I think that's what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how bad the screen's broken actually. I'll leave those screws out just in this. Hold on. So this is what's wrong with it. Everything still works. It's just half the screen is not working. I think it might work without the battery. Okay, maybe I need to shut it down first. Taking it apart while it's still on. Maybe that's a bad idea. Hold on. Let me turn this off real quick. One more screw. And hopefully this thing comes off pretty easy. And I don't have to snap anything off. Pretty sure I have to though. Yeah, it seems to be just come. Oh, there we go. Something snapped. There we go. It's off. Oh my god, is it dirty? So this is the Mac. Should I be showing this on camera? Am I getting in trouble? Is Apple gonna come after me? So I know this is the battery, so we do need to disconnect that. Because could cause problems. Being a little careful. There we go. It's disconnected, I hope. Easy enough. Woo, man, I'm sweating now. Woo. In the video, he just uses his hand. There we go. That's the something cable. My god, just watch me drop it. I'm gonna get up and everything's gonna fly off the table. Okay. The 3 T5 screws. Okay, there's one right there. Okay. Right here. In the video, it looks pretty obvious, but when I'm looking at it, it's not that obvious. I am definitely gonna get these mixed up. Oh my god. Okay, okay. And then that one. Okay, I've seen that one's right here. Yep. Sorry if I keep bumping in this stuff. Wiggle it out of its socket. Oh, there we go. Oh, what the heck is that? Okay, yeah, here's the SSD, the M.2. There we go. Got it. Got him. Got him. And it should just come right out, he says. Oh, man. Did you see that? Jesus. Oh, my God. Okay. Fans off. Got him. Got that motherfucker off. All right. Oh, that's not coming off easy. Oh, no. I don't want to break it. Is that even the right one? Okay, he just kind of wedges it out. I don't know if I can do that. What do you mean? Just wedge it out. Okay, I got it off. That was uncomfortably tough to do. Alright, move on. Microphone connection, eyelash. Okay, I got it. Then I can lift up the thing he said. Wait, he just pulls that out? Wait, hold on. I gotta watch this again. Oh, okay. Okay, got that off. Okay, we got it. There it is. This is the charger, the USB, and headphone jack? Yeah. You guys can't see anything. It's all blurry. Oh well, see. But this is crazy. Okay. Alright, so this is off. I'll put it right here.
On the keyboard.
Okay, he did that really too easy. Okay. Oh my god. Hold on, I need to look at this. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay. Man, it didn't look like a thing that does that, but it does. Okay, did that. Okay. Are you sure I should be doing this? I'm not qualified for this.
And then pull.
Oh, same thing. All right, but smaller and more delicate. Okay, got it. So watch me just do all this and then it just doesn't turn on. Wiggle that out. Wiggling and okay, it is out. Oh, nice. Okay. Very nice. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay. Do I really need those? Do I really? The board should now be able to come out. Whoa. Ooh, all right, there we go. Logic board, there it is. That is pretty nifty, huh? Okay, you gotta open it like a tent now. Okay. like this, and like that, like a tent, right? Okay. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Think I lost it? No! Why? Oh no. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, okay, there we go. Woo! Okay. So he said you can just take this off now. There we go. There it is. It's off. I think we're ready for the new one. The new one's used, but it supposedly works. So hopefully the guy I bought it from, it works. Okay. So here's the new one. Side by side. So goodbye, you. You're going to the good place, where all the broken displays go. There's some wear and tear. There's a little bit of character, I think, if you want to call it that. All right, reassembly. Here we go. Like that. This one needs to go like that. Okay. So then, oh god. Okay, that's tight. That's real tight. All right. So I guess we can close this now. Okay. All right, here we go. Logic board going back in. There it is. Take one more look at it because we're gonna stuff it back in. Let's marvel at this thing we took out. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. So this part is the hardest part, he said. Supposedly the hardest part. Oh god. Okay. Ooh, got him. Left speaker on. LBDS cable going in, reconnecting. Got it. Okay. I think I need to tuck it in under the thing though. So let's do that. Okay, got it. Oh my god, I was so not cool. Okay. So I gotta reconnect this guy. Okay. Oh no, what was that? What was that thing called?
Cardboard.
Guess what? It's the wrong connector. Oh man, I knew there was something wrong there. Shoot. Okay. This might be a fail. Oh man. We were so close. Okay. Yeah, because this one's way longer. I was like wondering like what do you mean? Yeah, I don't know what else to do.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Okay, what's that connector called? Hold on.
Of the IO board.
Oh, it's for the webcam. Do I even need that? I don't ever use the webcam. We just need it to work. We just need the display to work. I'm not ever gonna use the webcam because I have webcams. I have this one right here, and I have this one right here. Okay, I'm learning shit. I'm learning stuff. Hold on, this is not a lost cause. Okay. All right, continue as normal. Okay, so this we don't need this. We'll just tuck this away somewhere. Back in business. We're back in business, boys. So this one goes in there like that. Come on, there we go. Now this guy. Okay. There we go. That's the one. That's the one.
Cable.
IO data cable. Got it right here. Okay, got it on. Not too bad. Not too bad.
The battery to the logic board.
Oh, reconnect the battery. Here we go. Let's not short anything now. You can see a big old spark just come out of nowhere. Boom. Hopefully I didn't see any sparks, so that's a good sign.
Whatever.
Okay, before we do the cover, we always make sure it turns on and that we get a display. So let's see. Oh, look who decided to come say hi. Hey, you want to look at the camera? Here's Loki. Oh, see? Yeah. Yeah, it's Loki. And did I lose one? I lost a freaking... When did I lose it? Oh, no. Okay. So this is good. All right. Check it out. Hey, the things work. Webcam's not gonna work, but oh well. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's working. Look at that. Cool, we got it working. If you guys want more of this, I might be doing more of like guitar fix-ups or replacements. Yeah, and thanks to this channel, Gripsoft, I was following this tutorial. Yeah, hope you guys like that. We got something accomplished today. Got it accomplished. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. All right, see you guys.